What's up guys, Joe the Tech here. Today I have an unboxing from Buckyballs, who have very kindly sent me out 2 Buckyballs originals for review on the channel. On this side we have shipping information, so I'm obviously not going to show that, and we're just going to open the package and get on with the unboxing. So we have the package open. Put the box off to the side. And here we have it. So we're just going to zoom in. And take it out of the packing. And there you see the Buckyballs. So I'm going to be playing with these over the next couple weeks, and after that, in a couple of weeks, I'll be bringing my full review on the product. And after opening the packing, I've noticed that there, obviously we have the Buckyballs, but in this box we have a free carrying bag, carrying case, which is right there, so we don't lose any, and we also have some instructions. So that's about it. Thanks for watching the video, and I will see you in the next one. And again, a big thanks to Buckyballs for sending these products out for review.